911, operator 35, what is your emergency?
Yeah, I'm just trying to be a good Samaritan, but it was there's gonna be a fight breaking out, and it's a dude with a white beater and black pants. He got a gun, and he keep waving it towards the other dude that he arguing with, the other dude got an all-black hoodie with a sweater on, and his girlfriend said he trying to tell him, let's go, but dude with the gun said they arguing, but dude got a gun. So it's right here on 36th and Clarke, on the police right here.
You said 35th and
police right here. Yup, now he running. Yup, the police got him. Yup, he running.
What direction is he running?
Yup, your officers got him right now. They couldn't shoot him. They just shot him. Your officers just shot him. The officers just shot him. I'm finna go see what's going on. Yeah. They just got him.
And that's
all right,
that's
your officers got him first. They got him. They got him. Your officer shot him, and he dropped on the ground. The guy's still living, though. He's cuffing him. Your officer is cuffing him right now. I'm kind of glad it happened the way it happened, because he was really finna shoot this little boy, and I don't know. I just taking my baby mama to the store, and I just see him had his gun in the dude's face, and they was arguing. The dude was trying to tell him, let's go, babe, and the dude that had the gun was still on it, and next thing you know, your officers pulled right on up and did a good job. But yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
I am showing that they're there. Thank you so much for calling, okay?
Yep.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
When watching the video from the body-worn camera, you will notice there is no sound for the first 30 seconds. When a camera is turned on, the system retrieves what the camera saw in the 30 seconds prior to being activated. The time the sound begins in the video is the moment the officer activated their camera.
I grabbed he's conscious.
I grabbed the gun from the nigga.
Did you see the gun?
Yeah, it's over here. It's over there. I grabbed it.
Now get back! Where is the gun?
I don't know. It's on the floor somewhere.
He threw it. It's right here.
It's on the ground. I grabbed it from him. I'm shot though. I'm shot. You hurt? I'm shot.
Yeah, he's shot.
You okay? I took the gun from the dude and ran, man. You pulled that shit out your pants. Yeah. I grabbed it from him, man.
He pulled it out when he came around. It's right here. I got it.
It's right there. I don't know what's in that container. I don't know.
That's not his.
Could you please pick me up, though? Please.
I got it.
Please.
You got it?
Please pick me up.
What? Yeah, I'm good.
Please.
You shot him? I did.
I'm shot.
I got his wife. I know. We got an ambulance coming, yo.
Hey, please pick me up.
You got gloves?
Ball shooting. Suspect is conscious breathing. Man is recovered.
Heather, can you grab some gloves? It's in and out. It's one shot.
No, it's two.
Is it two?
Yes.
Who shot? I did.
Me, I'm shot twice.
So give me a Tusa bandage. It's in the car. It's in our med kit. I got it. Get his leg.
Oh, there's one.
Go. I got it. I got it.
No, it's fine. I got it.
Okay.
You're gonna be all right, dude. There's an ambulance coming.
Man, listen.
Well, you can't.
But I didn't try to, man. Listen, I panicked. I got PTSD. I took the gun from the boy. He came down here for beat his sister up.
Okay.
I took the gun from him. I put it in my pocket. He walked down the street. That's why I ran with the gun, man. I got PTSD. I didn't want to get shot, and I ended up getting shot anyway.
You got a squad. Go close off these streets. Get tape up. Got enough cops with him. Give me that one.
I got shot anyway.
This one. Open it up.